What's going on YouTube? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. I'm going to do a real quick and short video on how to turn off the water at your tap. So my son has been leaving the hot water on and our hot water gets very hot, so I don't want our kids to burn themselves. In addition to that, we put a filter on the cold water side, and come to find out he has not been using the filter side, he's been using the hot side to drink. So we're just going to turn the hot side off. So what you'll do is you look under your sink and you'll have two valves. Usually the one on the left is your hot, the one on the right is your cold. So since we have a filter on the cold side, all we're going to do is flip this. Now I just turned it back on. You can see it's in line. If you're going to turn it off, switch it off. And usually they have indicators on here like right off, left on. And that's really it. You can always test it out by coming up here. No water. All right, if you like the video, subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.